morning, it is story time. Today's story is about a small little village which had just one source of drinking water. That was a small little well with pure clean water. But unfortunately, one day the villagers noticed that there were some 10 odd fish that were lying dead in the well, and they were rotten and stinking, and the water in the well had turned filthy and unhygienic to drink. So they went to the wise man in the village for advice. The wise man said, "Don't worry, just pull out 100 buckets of water from the well and the clear water will come to the surface." That's what the villagers did. The villagers removed 100 buckets of water, but the status of the water remained the same. They again went back to the wise man seeking advice. The wise man said, "Don't worry, the water will clear, just remove 100 more buckets of water." And that's what they did. 100 more buckets of water, that is 200 buckets now. But unfortunately, the water was still filthy, unhygienic to drink. Third time, they visited the wise man asking for advice. The wise man said, "Remove 100 more buckets, let's see what happens." They removed 100 more buckets of water. 300 buckets of water in total was pulled out of the well, but to no avail. It still remained the same, filthy and stinky. The wise man, fourth time the villagers visited him, he asked a very simple question. "Did you all remove the dead, stinky fish from the well before you pulled out those 300 buckets of water?" The villagers sheepishly said, "No, you just asked us to remove 300 buckets of water. You never told us about the rotten fish to be removed." So, don't you think we are exactly like those foolish villagers? They pulled out 300 buckets of water from the well without removing the stinky, rotten fish that was lying in the well, that was the main cause of the unclear, unfit water. We are exactly like the villagers. We have a lot of problems, we have a lot of issues, but we deal with them on the exterior. We just deal with the side effects, we just deal with the symptoms. We never deal with the stinky fish that is lying deep inside. We all have our stinky fish. We all have our share of questions, confusions, fears and anxieties, but we carry our stinky fish with us. And the longer we carry the stinky fish with us, the more it rots and the more it stinks. It's important that we pull out the stinky fish out of the well first before we clear the waters. That's exactly what we got to do. So the moral of the story is, share your anxieties, share your questions, deal with the root cause of the problem. Learn to share, learn to deal with those anxieties and fears instead of just hiding and not talking about them. We Are Listening is a campaign that I recently started with my team. The reason is, people should deal with their stinky fish and get them right on the table. Once you deal with your stinky fish, you will see clear water. You will see a much better, clear perspective of life. No matter how small or how big the stinky fish is, it's important to get it out of the water. It's important to deal with your problems right at the root cause. And that will only happen when you talk about them, when you share them. So with this moral, I'll wish you a very good day, and do share your anxieties, your fears, your issues, your questions and confusions to help us lead you to clarity. Thank you so much. Have a good one.